Based on the scan, it looks like early-stage pneumonia. We caught it just in time.
Сімінське. Дискладне навіть сюрення писан і дмітління. З теченням мікс не справуштимо правліщень от...
Administering the tranquilizer now. Monitor his vitals closely.
Vitals are stabilizing. Respiration is slowing. He is fully sedated.
Vitals are holding steady. Let's transport him now. Carefully.
Okay. Initiating transport.
Gurney secured. Initiating processing sequence.
Cycle complete. The yield looks optimal.
Two workers are placing these baskets of skin on a wheeled bed and taking them into a warehouse.
This leather is placed on a table inside a warehouse.
Take the leather with a chamber machine and put it into a drum where water is boiling.
Pass me that brown one. Here you go. How many fit in this box? About 10. Keep going.
This one goes on table 3. All right, make sure it's flat so we can inspect the grain.
Many workers are using sewing machines to make coats from these pieces of leather.
Some workers are packing those coats into fancy boxes. Some workers are loading those boxes onto a truck.
Watch the weight on this side.
Got it. Is the paperwork ready?
All set, boss.
These are very good shirts. They have a lot of comfort and they are very beautiful shirts. These are very good shirts. They have a lot of comfort and they are very beautiful shirts.